Ima Olivia Kwaba about GC News, hot news, all time, latest and hot news. And maybe Bremo. Eye Juntini Rexuma, Wakasa na watoto bi amane eye Bawumia kuhu eye asante ni 24 or na wode nsem tu Bawumia ni eno na ye Rexuma React wada nsem bebre adi. Na ansa na mede nsem ni na beba necessary. So when you subscribe to the channel now, necessary over subscribe. You be say over click the subscribe button. Now our belly notification. When sa video fufu bia re upload no. Also sa can be. Afriyie ana like video no give us a thumbs up na fe wa share ma ofofo so na wanya bi na wo hwe. Afriyie mbura eye senim. Eye Bawumia oguso obona pro a wo ye campaign di dinde na wo kopie wo asante nyeni. Eye Otumfuo ni na Otumfuo di nsem bi eto nanim. Enyi na ni se Bawumia economy at Japan sem na wo ka ho. Ba wakasa wa yon sa sisa ban we dia won kan ko no dia fi kwa na wo ba. Da no na ye Otumfuo di nsem tu nse pe bia wafun bia no ditum se wafun na kana fo ni se wafun. Na no na ye Rexuma React to sanse ma wotutu bi mane ye Bawumia na wo kire se ahemfo no wale kasa abegum na se wanti ase bia na se bi o ye ni fo na Rex edi nsem bi ato bia afa ye Bawumia a ko hu ye Otumfuo no ye semre no mbopi ye Rexuma enti nsem a wode to bia enti no
Sabi minti na kunya iska okoso listen say no in my lineage nti I will not pretend say that she be my asante him enya possible me assume say like you study economics so me na me asante ne me na me yoche hene me na me doma hene me na me na yiri yana ebi atobi siri tobi apede me na me gamanche osabari makosi ata the second and not any of this paramount that could be to say Bawumia abetremen. You know, so what sell mine. Who stops you from telling the person the truth? But Nana no pay diplomacy to do. Sabi mi papa hene. And I understand how they play in Gyamfi. It's destroying the country. Sabi you. I don't know if you share my opinion. But Hame.
One say Nana no. Yesi obanyansafo ye kasa no abebrum. Nana no ekwan bia so ewo amanyosom mu no so mo be kasa krase so mo kasa wo abebuom so banyansafo ono ne kasa no abebuom kasa no abebuom nti se kasa wo abebuom no wante ase that means we obagimifo enu nti no almost impossible wo hwema ya hemfo no kra no nti na omusu achiame nti nsem bi okra ne se so mo kra kan direct omo kafa achiame so fa achiame so eti no se uhwe ye nananom ya hemfo no ne sometimes omomo binum omo nsem omo beka oka asem we a na se wo de kwa adwuma wo se na opese wo kire yembra down to asema Otumfuo e ka kire Vice President Bawumia o se be bia wo fom ye no gitum na mamamfo nyina hu se wafom na sesa wonantie ene woniye asembe na opa akere wo it tells you say na nanom nim say esa na watwa no wontwa asapapa sebe yesi de friends ofuru dia pa na epia no na wo wafuru dia bone se robegina obianim say ompian se na nka nkire so wafuru dia bone a obeka kire se kwa kire omanfo say obi a we vice president you are the head of the economic management team now to me say okasa te said the onka ban ne ho
so on na ban ba opposition leader
na ban say you are the second highest gentleman on the land. You are the vice president of the Republic of Ghana. Why yes sir adwuma way for almost 8 years. Una wa bring your money down. You are head of the economic management team. So in a nutshell no. When Ken Ofori Atta any friends Bank of Ghana governor when it comes to financial issues sir. Mona makamutia bom. Whatever advice I'm giving Akufo-Addo no, I don't know who you know so. Same point say Akufo-Addo can say munye ABC. Na mu feel say it's not in the interest of the country. It is your responsibility to advise him. What share more mind no your economy no atitia pansam. Now 2022 Bank of Ghana lost over 60 point something billion. 2023 Oma lose over 10 point something billion. Much sikana gum na nam na odi sikana chiche. Nan say me te say your friend say wakwache blást for 500,000. My question is Bawumia ne monthly salary say sika wachiche now your friend say omo ye election or to sika fa no to sika fa ne monthly salary say onya sika no wahi. These are the questions Ghanaians must ask. Now my na yetimu no me ana me kan masem some time ago bi o me nyom ba ko mu yesum sika o my ama be fru mu de sebe adwene mu sintonti yesum sika na yebu nimdia animtie yebu nimdia animtia jeso bia nya sika ye misa no kwa fa so nya ni sika no obi amisa no
100.5
ya be dane no hene sesi ane asom no because wanya sika so sika no fa you so kobo okro no so kum nipa no dinya sika no na start esom no so ekwan abefa so wanya sika no de ho hia the yansa de wanya sika no wunya Ghana fo nyina be start asom. That is the society we are in now. And you know, across board nobody cares as to how anybody makes his money. The most important thing they say, Gyamfi no to position of trust. That is what is going on. You know, a quite bisono, Misen Kamenya, and Kahem from Komubeka pain, but Omaka pain so it means Oma take his size. Not just almost descending into partisan politics. A basa. Say a 2 day dia ye nya obi anko ne ho say nananom nyina so do ma no betum na mo be partisan politics a say ensem no afro politicians na ehe bi oni e be ko ne apem wo say judiciary no we huni tu huni
FM
Akufo-Addo fail all the course with MPP people.
But Uncle Rex, I'm not sure say o statement here will make o person with treme by any stretch of imagination say Nananoma Hemfu Krum Han won't take his size. They have taken size.
Maybe.
So when are they new to us?
You see,
Opa Bo Hini Yama Hemfu doing one after the other. They have someone take his size.
Sometimes, no, Yawa Hemfu Bioha, Omo descended into partisan politics, and you want to say, why you won't say. But Yawa Hemfu Bio also swap. They are costing and yet, Omunim saying yet. Matisse Binum can't want them. You see. And I make a choice say so tie me ba Otumfuo asem the same Otumfuo e ka kire Bawumia no it's not complimentary. It's not obi a oti asante asem bia na say oti a friend say kasabebo bia enye complimentary
Bawumia anti ase onti kasabebo ase
na one pathological liar a ojitu so a liar. They lie and believe in their own lies. Bawumia oyobia he has not even accepted, say, as a leader, no. So your leader put the minim. One accepted, say, your mistakes. Now see, I'm going to baby and say, Oma, actually, a friend say laptops are all secondary schools in Ghana. What brand you no kre? On one him say you no kre. But on nam no waka because officer Ghana for you na sebi in previous amanu sisubna so ye nkwasi afo. Because Antona no chaya muchaya the two abama womu. And why not? You have to double up. See, so the whole situation, and they say it's about time. I saw for preach one sorry them. Ubia yedi. The so-called peace council. Ubia yedi. The so-called a friend senko for na sata Mahama hoa no manu din. Ubia yedi. And there are people in this country, I am so disappointed in them. Almost from Fourth Estate. Only few of them. Say most of Ghanaian media houses are pushing agenda. Nobody cares about this country. Everybody cares about himself. They say Bawumia also a friend say Kwaku Kyeremanteng after all what? It's everybody is putting a certain agenda, personal agenda. It's your mind. That is what is happening in this country. It is a one so obey what you say. Sabi wonso ka bi wo ye journalist wonso wo ka bi wo ka no kran say the city no ne atago oh we Mahama nipa
because me atare no machine da nyona betago
so what you say so the whole situation and say Ghana quite sabi o
Accra FM
oba woni bema ene ye bo no e say yi achia
Ojifuni ho
and that is what is going on and it's about time say nyina obi a so ye Ghana ni ba mapa a wo no ade no atra NDC MPP ade happen to Omar we no atra NDC MPP say yam fire na yan si fom ne amaye ni amre ne yan je Omar we ensi wo e manipa omo wo adwene papa ne akoma papa ene odoma Omar we la Mahama a me so Omar we mu empushi am fancy baby odi besi a edi asem na Ghana fan kan fa Mahama ho edi asem enso sabi omo mu ye dede amu beje o man no se na Mahama mo se sabi oye kronfo a na obo kro no 10% a mo bo 99%. So then what is the point? So it means say dede na mo ye nyina no na mo pekwan se Ghana fo agimi nti mo twa ntora na ya to abeti Mahama na maba mo ba na mo be wia because enema e koso sese no time
but the other mom sa kukuduro no mom san ko jina Ghana fo anim san
because the mom sa kukuduro na me ka kira won say Ghana no the most important thing say we sika no ya do to sana ekoso ya do to position of trust fasika no certain cities na fire no ati one sit down chichema mo no mudi wachi ti say beggars that is what is going on. Some of our info kwajiska Akufo-Addo behind back door. Asofunu bebre ya musika to shut them up. Every sector of this country, all the state institutions na Akufo-Addo abraibo omo. That is the reason why. To the extent serving some of the opposition parties and Kofobi opposition parties, including my own NDC. Some people are even getting richer as we are in opposition.
Hey, and they say be a rich.
What you are saying? They don't care. Nobody cares about this country. Only very few.
Executives do when this
now say
some more power.
Say you're careful. We are sitting on a time bomb. If this country continues the way said Akufo-Addo de Bawumia no de Ghana na mu ya we are sitting on a time bomb.
Yo, for winning and some year Rexoma, Rexoma, or say we are sitting on a time bomb. Now, what in some degree, the Bawumia, or any copy, I will copy or Otumfuo now Otumfuo and some attorney. And on a Rexoma, I react our and some do on our edit. Because you see me so, and I will know. So when you subscribe, say over subscribe and I like it. Now I say video, I'm offer for so a maybe now watch it. Also let me actually what me offer a year and so we now our comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.